every opinion every person has shared about me has some level of truth and some level of validity. My father and I didn't talk for a year and a half. Some of the people who started off as my closest friends on campus, we don't talk to each other anymore. And
How did the breakup happen?
in terms of where I stand on the issue, though, I think I will take a pass on that.
So, hi everyone, I am Arapatap Singh, and this is our episode 4 of our campus podcast. And we have our guests and our co host. So, I'll be introducing my guest first. So, she is Aksa Sabaji, and her biggest introduction for us is because Atharvida Vingi, she was DevSoc president for the session 2023-24, and he is Atharva. He was DevSoc secretary for the batch 2024-25, and I am Arapatap Singh, DevSoc round 2. round 2.
Did I take you round 2?
No.
Oh, okay, ठीक है. मैंने नहीं किया, मेरे
This
से
also
नहीं
has a very interesting story. So Abhijit, he is my Moravia senior, but
अच्छा,
that
हाँ,
time I did not know him.
अच्छा,
So he took my round 1.
हाँ,
So he selected me in round 1
Huh.
unknowingly. Like there was no
So later
nepotism.
हाँ, ठीक है.
later on we asked him why didn't he get selected for round 3
हाँ.
and he was actually shocked that he made it to round 2 कि भाई तेरा round 2 हो कैसे गया था.
याद कैसे रहा भाई अभिजीत को? मैं मतलब आई प्रॉमिस यू, मुझे सिर्फ एक ही राउंड 2 ऑडिशन याद है सेकंड ईयर से, जब एक बंदा आया था, लाइक नाउ ही इज अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, बट वो आके पेपर फाड़ के चला गया था. वो से
अच्छा just
to emote, you know, उसके ऐसे सर पे अर्नब आ गया था and he was like going at it, right? So that is the only round 2 audition I really remember. How could he answer कि तुम्हारा कैसे नहीं हुआ?
Like 2 months later, he was in Moravia also, no? And I was very active in Moravia, so he knew that. So in second year, when we were in second year, and he was in third year in Ram Bhavan. So he asked him, "Why did not you take me in third year? Like you were such a crude junior." So he was like, "I gave you so less marks
भाई
that you
उसको
could not
याद
make
है भाई, वही बड़ी
Round
बात
two
है.
still made it to round 2. I'm shocked for that.
Because I asked him, "Can I speak Hindi or like few words of Hindi?" He was like, "No, only English is allowed." And I started Sanskrit
I
with a Gita shlok. Some dharmic topic was there, so I started with Gita topic.
think
Gita
I
ka shlok.
remember this. I think I remember this theme. हाँ.
Maybe
Yeah.
I think females.
नहीं
No,
नहीं
no,
नहीं,
some
अमृता गुणवती का भी यही टॉपिक हुआ था, तो मुझे याद है थोड़ा सा.
कुछ तो
I
play
was
था.
super impressed with her speech in round 1.
Okay. And my round 2 was taken with Divyanshi Didi.
हाँ, my ex-friend.
Yeah.
And his competitors Aditi Puri, Saxena, Abhijit.
Yeah. And best part is I was made the PM. I had to give the first speech. I was literally humiliated there.
And they constantly quoted him. So their PM said this, and भाई मैं तो इतना बोला भी नहीं था मेरे speech में.
भाई.
But okay, let's start with our podcast. Well, let's start very easy. The reason we started with the podcast is to kill our 4th year. We don't have anything else to do. All our campus commitments are done with. We just have ACADS and something extra for our placements. So how is 5th year treating you? Because it's dawning upon us that there is one more year after this.
देखो मतलब unless you have like ऐसे hardcore research aspirations या an SI offer, आप 5th year यहाँ spend नहीं करने वाले हो. ठीक है. तो for me how 5th year has been, it's been great. I'm not gonna lie.
Why?
5th year's been great. I have had lesser to do in 5th year than I've had, like I think the last time I was this jobless was in 5th standard.
Okay.
ठीक है, like 5th या 4th standard. I think उसके बाद से I've like just been at it doing random shit.
Yeah.
तो it reminds me of simpler times. It reminds me of chiller times. अब क्या, me and my 3 friends just go to Connaught every day. We just chill there, पंचायत बिठाते हैं, रूम आती हूँ, दोस्त के साथ बात कर लेती हूँ, सो जाती हूँ, उठती हूँ. It's a very nice, very mundane cycle. A little dysfunctional, a little unhinged. It's definitely like it's not the healthiest, that's for sure. But I think all in all, it, at least for me, I think 4th year was very dramatic. I saw a lot of change just in me as a person. I saw the best I could do. I saw the worst I could do. I saw the good, bad, ugly just in myself. So 5th mein aake just to sit with myself.
That bad.
No, it was not about TU, bhai. No. TU was great actually. TU gave me a lot of agency in a place where I didn't expect that high agency. So that was awesome, right? But I think aake 5th year mein I had a lot of time to just sit with myself, which was very jarring. क्योंकि मैं बहुत बकती हूँ. या मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ. तो बस ऐसे शांति में बैठ के कुछ तो करना is like just sit and do nothing, sit with yourself and your thoughts is just hard.
So like
Yeah.
you started with school life, so you compared fifth year with the fifth grade. So
No.
how your transition happened from school
You
to
want to
JEE?
know how was Akshata before before coming to Bachpana? The nerdy Akshata Sabaji,
भाई
9 to 12th वाली.
वैसे मेरी 9 to 12th नहीं था मेरा नर्ड आर्क. मेरा नर्ड आर्क था 8th to 11th.
Okay.
फिर 4th year and 5th year. Actually not 8th to 11th, 1st to 11th. अगर सच बताऊँ तो I
Okay.
was a front bencher. ठीक है.
अच्छा.
I was a
So you were not academically active in your 12th standard.
No, मेरा 12th was my pandemic year.
Right.
I was the COVID batch, but of 12th grade, yeah.
Yeah, we want to know the Bangalorean Akshat Sabaji.
भाई भले मैं बैंगलोर को छोड़ दूँ, बैंगलोर कभी मुझे नहीं छोड़ने वाला.
Like in what sense?
I think दिल से a Bangalore hudgi is a girl. I think that is a part of my personality at this point. In terms of what I was like in school, ना मैं थी हाइपर एक्टिव भाई.
Teacher's pet?
टीचर्स पेट बहुत ज़्यादा. But it was like every 1 year, every 2 years, I would meet one teacher who I just didn't like.
Okay.
और उनके साथ बीटी वो नंबर नहीं देंगे, उस पर कंप्लेन करूँगी, मैं ये करूँगी, मैं वो करूँगी. Like I would pick my targets.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Rebel
And
for
they would
specific and then sweeter for others.
हाँ स्वीट से भी भाई मैं तो छाटू बोलती. स्वीट तो नहीं बोलूँगी मैं भाई, just to keep it real. नहीं, मैं तो भाई I was that kid, है ना. School Akshata and college Akshata, at least school Akshata and first year Akshata were very similar people, I'll say that.
Okay. Like IIM goals.
Oh.
We'll touch on that
We'll come to my professional aspirations later. I mean on a very personal level, right?
Yeah.
I think 12th में मैं इतना burnout हो गई थी कि high school में मतलब especially 8th, 10th, 11th मैं had a very rebellious heart.
Okay.
ठीक है, घर पे just how I presented myself, how I carried myself. One good thing was campus आके, because I explored so much at that time, I came in with a sense of clarity relatively, a sense of discipline relatively. And I think that way, just mindset wise, just मैं कैसे बात करती हूँ ये सब, I was very similar to then. अभी 5th year में आके, especially after everything I had done, did, said, whatever in 4th year, I think I really centered myself. I really mellowed down. I really 4th year तक हो चुका था वो चीज़. Like even if you asked Atharva, Akshata, second year Akshata was
Like,
a
I've also seen the
trash
prime
woman.
you.
I don't think you have. I think
Like,
जो
all
मैं
my wingies know how scared I was before approaching you for anything in my first year.
You used to be a big deal. कि like just texting you was a big deal for whole gang.
I'll tell you
I used to
now.
ask, भाई ये डाल रहा हूँ मैं अक्षता को. I'm very scared of her.
My BP
He
पता है
used to
क्या?
chat GPT. After writing himself, he used to chat GPT कि there should not be any grammatical error, otherwise she'll not be making me a member also in the next year.
ऐसी बात नहीं है, ऐसी तो बिल्कुल
Because he
बात
was
नहीं
in
है.
probation for according to him.
Yeah, because no,
Probation,
I think we were the longest in probations.
That
At
was
the
just
entire
actually a matter of coincidence. कुछ ऐसे handovers में transitions.
So my wing first, they were surprised that I got into DepSoc, and they were like, there were bets going on कि मेरा होगा नहीं, probation में निकलूंगा नहीं. Oh, but what is the one aspect that you have carried from Bangalore still to this date? What's that one attribute that you maybe gained from Bangalore experiences?
Open-mindedness.
Acha, huh, that can be.
Open-mindedness.
That is
I
relatively not present in maybe people that they come from tier 3
I
cities.
don't want to say that honestly. Some of the most non-judgmental, most welcoming people I've met here have been from people, from places which I walked in.
Tier 4 like Solapur.
Tier 4.
Solapur is not here.
ना भाई देखो मेरा ना थोड़ा interesting way of saying open-mindedness है, because that doesn't mean that I wasn't judgmental. I learned the hard way over 4 years just to be less judgmental than I was when I entered. वो बिल्कुल भी easy route नहीं था मेरे लिए. Open-mindedness in terms of what I'm open to doing. What I'm open to experiencing. That was the kind of open-mindedness I was talking about. Like I was not very shut off कि मुझे ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना ऐसे. अगर कुछ मिल रहा है मुझे interesting लग रहा है for some reason, I will just do it. But so I think that's a part of Bangalore. But frankly, it's not about Bangalore for me as much as it's about home.
Okay.
You know, like what I carried from home is what really made the
Okay.
difference for me.
So how was your home like? Like what was the
Oh
environment there?
भाई ये तो heavy
Just to
subject
add a
हो
bit-
गया.
Just to add a bit, Depsok and people, the discussion places are known for being liberal, being lefty, thoda. And you came from a conservative
Yes.
RSS family.
My father did do 16 years in RSS. You're right about
So
that.
how तो कैसे adjust किया कि there was home upbringing at home थोड़ा conservative RSS BJP ideology, then Depsok being such a huge part of your life, and then you have to be it's the discussions are meant to be liberal and थोड़ा left centered. So how did you then manage both?
यार सच बताऊं तो I keep my shit compartmentalized. Neither Depsok nor my house really knows where my political inclinations lie. वो मेरे दोस्त को पता होता है कि okay, how does Akshata view a situation, right?
Okay.
So in these ऐसे collective settings, I don't think I bring up topics like politics या religion या whatever, because my opinions are shaped by my understanding and my experiences. तो बाप को पता होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Similarly, जो मेरे को ऐसे पर्सनली ऐसे डीपली पर्सनली नहीं जानते उनको भी unless it's asked I don't bring it up.
Okay, so like let's ask then once.
बिल्कुल.
So like, are you updated with the current political scenario? What's going on in the country?
In the country, yes, sure.
So
Sure.
I'll be asking on a very burning issue, that is SIR. You know about that?
Huh?
SIR, like the vote.
The committee that's sitting for eligibility of
They
voters.
are,
Yes.
What they're asking is the proof so that you can
Yes.
like continue your name in the voting list.
Yes.
Otherwise, your name will be removed, and like some 65 lakhs votes
People
were
have
removed.
been
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
So-
topics like this, what's the conversation back home? Because definitely you would be discussing with your father. So how was the banter going on?
Okay, look.
And
In terms of
before you answer, I want to add one more thing. Like that, your father is from RSS and BJP, so he'll be ideally supporting it. But I want to know your perspective also. What is this issue? Like, in which side you are falling or anything? Because you mentioned ki until asked, you wouldn't be revealing your political.
I said unless asked, yes, and that also means ki if I don't want to, I just
Yeah, you
won't.
can, obviously.
Yeah. But okay, look, my father he's not okay. He saw a very different RSS than we do. Let's get that out of the way. Coming from a very small town, his RSS was more about the whole हम drills करवाएंगे, हम सेवा करेंगे, हम discipline build करेंगे. So when I say my dad did that much time in RSS, I would frankly not go so far as to call him a Sanghi. I would not say that my father is a Sanghi. I would not call him red-pilled. I would not say any of that about him. In terms of where I stand on the issue, though, I think I will take a pass on that.
It's okay.
I think there are some opinions that should just not be on the internet.
Great.
We don't have that reach yet, nor it's not worth playing with our podcast. Maybe in somewhere else. We understand.
Yeah.
Coming
And
to
also like Loki, bro. हम ना इधर बैठ के अपने ओपिनियन बांट तो बांटेंगे भैया उसे क्या उखाड़ना उसे क्या उखाड़ने वाला है?
no impact
कुछ नहीं
whatsoever.
कुछ नहीं इधर हम 3 दोस्त बैठे हैं कुछ बक रहा है ठीक है ओ देश में ये बुरा है देश में वो बुरा है मैं तो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर बनने वाली हूँ मैं कौन सा ऐसे सोशल रिफॉर्म करने जा रही हूँ मेरा कुछ नहीं हो रहा
Right.
ठीक है माय बिगेस्ट रिफॉर्म माइट जस्ट बी इंश्योरिंग बिग बिलियन डेज अच्छा चलेगा वो होगी
Yeah, we'll come to that.
हाँ my latest my like most pressing contribution to society in the next 2-3 years will be something extremely insignificant.
Yeah.
So I also think कि criticize great, don't criticize great. आर्मचेयर commentary चुप रहो.
It's a favorite pastime of ours.
हाँ,
But ठीक है, at least pretending that we can solve the solutions at our level. But okay, coming then to clubs and how it affected your campus life. You were involved in, I would say, a quite set of clubs, and each had its own experiences.
You could say that,
So,
absolutely.
starting from first question, why didn't you apply for Rag Malika or Gurukul? Because we got to know that you are classically trained
I am
singer.
a classical trained singer, yes. A very close friend of mine, right, was the sole female vocalist in Music Club from the
Okay.
2020 to 25 batch. When I applied, she made it very clear to me that though I'd moved on and everything in the process, she made it very clear कि bro, performing arts clubs take up time.
Okay.
Like practice के लिए रुकना होता है. And अभी it's an equation of a lot of love. She's like a sister to me. but tab there was also a lot of respect. There was a lot of looking up to that person. And when she said ki right now she was in that, like at that point she was in that space where वो या तो पढ़ रही थी या वो म्यूजिक क्लब पे ध्यान दे रही थी. Like there was no in between, and she was also a dualite who was doing really well for herself, in my opinion, at the time. So even now, she's doing great. Bhai, Google SI, फिर PPO, फिर Apple PS2, फिर PPO, फिर वो Apple छोड़ के Google चली गई. भाई, she is suffering from success. ठीक है.
Do you know her?
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
She was actually in Depsot too, but very inactive. Her name is Mehak Agarwal.
Okay.
EcoCS.
Heard about her.
Yeah. So
She's inactive on Depsok shit posting.
very,
so.
very. She's inactive in Depsot
I
period.
don't think she's in shit posting anymore.
She is. She's on shit posting. Like she just never shows up.
Okay.
Anyway, but yeah, as I was saying, I took her opinion very seriously in that regard. I think that's just always been us. अगर एक दूसरे को हम opinion दे रहे हैं वो बहुत seriously ले लेंगे हम. That's our pattern. So that is why I stepped back from like performing arts as a thing on campus. And also obviously first year में थोड़ा ये भी था ना कि I will explore. And I had enough commitments कि इतना बड़ा commitment is not.
So like,
something
what were the clubs you applied for, and were any rejections were also there in your
Yes,
first year?
Bachodi mein I did apply to CEL in my 1-2.
Okay.
I
So did all.
No. But my story was very different, right? So my best friend had gotten into CEL in his first semester. And,
the person that I succeeded in terms of PR.
Right. Akshat, yes. So one of my closest friends, he got in, and वो बस ऐसे बोल रहा था कि भाई apply कर ले and my then boyfriend and I, we were like fuck it बच्चों दिन कर ही ले. Right. तो ऐसे 12 बजे का कुछ तो Google form में वीडियो बना के सबमिट करने का डेडलाइन था, and for the record I've only ever done 2 video submission tasks in my
Okay.
This is your third one.
No.
Flipkart?
Flipkart was my second.
Flipkart was second,
CL in my 1-2 was my first, and Flipkart APM was my second. उसके अलावा I've not done any of those.
You would love to see a Flipkart.
Yeah.
Sure, I do have my Flipkart video.
Well, yeah. Last in the end, outro.
No. We are not putting my Flipkart video. I
Whoever
hate
is
it.
watching it till
Yeah.
the end, कहीं बीच में तुम डालेंगे.
Yeah, बीच में डालेंगे.
कहीं तो randomly डालेंगे.
हाँ, तो बच्चों को हमने अप्लाई किया, ठीक है. I think दोनों का रिजेक्शन हो गया.
In the first round itself.
First round वो वीडियो में.
Because we both are NSS rejects. People didn't see us fit even contributing to the society.
Well, we are the third people. Like, Ashirwad Karande was the first guy.
Yeah.
We
And
elected for
नहीं
NSS.
मेरे बैच में था एक आदि मुखर्जी.
Yeah, see, you can justify his rejection.
What a sweet guy though यार, ऐसे मत बोल भाई. What a nice guy.
But we were so shocked that how can anybody reject people from NSS?
True, how did you get rejected?
Like my story is very different. So I gave for NSS Parishod. Like what?
परिशोध is the classroom में जाके.
No. The funding.
CL vertical, the entrepreneurship vertical of.
NSS entrepreneurship.
Yeah, like we asked for fundings and anything like that.
Despo.
Outreach guy. Yeah.
No, social setups.
I don't know. Like
maybe
the task is to get money.
No, that's
वो तो
sponsor.
डेस्को
Yeah, so
है.
that's fine. Yeah, exactly. So I was in there. So like.
Parishod I tried.
You tried Parishod, and my first prediction was that. So I thought ki my like interaction went good, and I was so happy about it. Then I went for hockey in the evening after the interaction, and I was coming back, and we lost badly, like some 5-0, 6-0. And
By Balika, no, the
Birla Shishu Vihar.
Vihar kids.
That time in my
Hi.
Shishu Vihar kids.
so
I'm so sorry. That
like-
must have been embarrassing. The minors did that.
They
so
were,
seniors just bashed us, ठीक है, like that time. So what happened? Ki I was coming back. I was around Patel statue. So I thought ki NSS में I applied and I got my interaction. So it's done now. Then someone called कि come for the second interaction.
The
NSS school
second
के लिए.
preference, we have fulfilled 3 preferences.
अच्छा like ये
Yeah,
verticals
हाँ.
कौन
These
से?
three
So I thought कि मेरा तो NSS हो चुका है, तो ये मेरे को दोबारा क्यों फोन करा? मे भी कोई विंगी होगा. I abused नहीं करा, फोन तेरी ऐसी की थी.
And I was with him during interactions. So
That is so. I'm so sorry. What? I'm so sorry.
when people used to call even for department interactions in the starting, with this wing is pranking. And then so okay, people can actually call us for department interactions.
यार.
Because my first interaction was photog. No, not the
Dopey.
And it was very cultural shock for me, the discussions that happened in.
I can imagine why that.
Then I
would
called
have been
Rihan. I call him Rihan. Malik.
Acha, Rehan.
Because,
I know.
He
उस जमाने में
during his recruitments he had saved his name as Rehan.
Yeah,
They still call him Rehan.
It's a tradition of fake name
Acha.
डालना.
So I was like, कि, bro, the interaction that I had never had such interaction ever in my life.
समझ आ रहा था interaction में क्या चल रहा था.
No, I don't know what
Like,
the
I remember
tangent that they
my
were
dopey
taking.
interactions in first year.
भाई ये तुम publicly बोल कैसे सकते हो ये सब चीजें? That was legit my first interaction. Then over the time I could go through multiple.
Smooth and-
So coming back to clubs and departments, what were your clubs and departments?
Okay. In chronological order, I started with Boston Spawns. Then
But aren't you in other departments? अच्छा ठीक है. She's in
DevSoc. Then Bits Pilani Consulting Club.
Okay, BPC.
Yes. Then English Press.
Okay.
Then I left Boston Spawns. Then I joined ELAS and Informals.
Okay. Informals also
You left BP Bits Pilani Consulting.
After I joined Informals, chronological
Okay.
order to. I had a stint in PIDES.
Okay.
Because I
Yeah.
wanted access to those cabins. So in my
Okay.
second year, I was in PIDES.
Wouldn't you watch American chef videos or something? You said American Master Chefs.
भाई मैं तो YouTube शॉर्ट्स पे देती रहती हूँ मतलब मेरा क्या
We'll be making ऐसे 100 shots of this.
हाँ तो then came SSMS EC.
Okay.
Then came the placement repository committee. Was the placement awareness committee at the time. A senior of mine from DevSoc convinced me to join it.
Yeah.
Manasvi करके. 19 batch.
The BC, the person who was
BCG,
placed in
BCG,
She is a BCG. right?
I've seen CV is very popular now. I've seen.
हाँ the template.
Yeah,
ना?
yeah.
Yeah. Then PAC became PRC. Then
CRC?
Repository.
repository. Awareness became
Then it became
repository.
training unit.
No. Then I ended up heading the training unit.
Was it already there? Training unit?
No, in my 3-2, like after my 3-2 mid-sem, they broke up. PU and TU broke up.
Okay.
Sad. Pom, bhai.
So how did the breakup happen?
I mean, normally, this is again a story that's been told to me, right? But to the best of my understanding, pehle the training head was a POR given to somebody in the placement core team.
Okay.
तो
Similar to internship.
हाँ बिल्कुल you had your placement head, pitching head, internship head,
Training
logistic head and
Right.
similarly
Training
head, right? So उससे क्या होता था, their focus which is supposed to be on training, it first became placements and all the logistics and everything because it's a small team, they
Yeah,
need
right.
all hands on
Yeah,
deck. So training पे उतना focus नहीं जा रहा था. So it just became important that there is a team that just works on this
Okay.
problem statement.
So like our batch faced a very crazy shit happening. We had some training points.
Your batch, oh, you're
Yeah.
27, yes.
You tried to implement for our batch.
Yeah.
Then why
And
what is revoked and everything? What happened? The
Okay,
whole scene.
what happened was that
And his major audience is first year, so you can maybe defend if you want the
Okay.
initiative.
No, I don't think I need to defend the initiative. Frankly, I think it's reasonably well received
Yeah.
by the batch of 28 and batch of 29. My main problem was getting it institutionalized. I think having set up a framework with 28 made it very easy for us to, ensure that the
Got it.
system kept running. I feel like 27 was the wrong batch to implement it, maybe. हाँ. Not just you
Gone
guys.
cases.
No. अरे ऐसे तो नहीं है, ऐसी बात तो नहीं है. नहीं.
They can't show कि भाई ये result थे हमारे training initiatives के. Let's start fresh.
बिल्कुल
Sinking
that's
shit.
correct sinking
Sinking
shit
ship
है sinking ship है Freudian slip हाँ no so I would say यार I think resistance बहुत आ गया था also like campus में ना माहौल थोड़ा politically charged था there was a lot of antagonism with which any initiative from the admin was viewed and I mean it's a very valid line of reasoning. I'm actually not contesting SU or any of these people on this. I think it is fair to be defensive at that point. जब campus उस state में था, it's very fair to be defensive. So it was a collective decision, not just involving me, but also involving administrative staff in the unit and even वो बात मतलब VC तक पहुंच गया था, director VC तक की, 27 पे थोड़ा light लेते हैं, 28 से चालू करते हैं.
Resentment आ रहा था.
Correct. And वो resentment थोड़ा मतलब जब तक breed होता रहता था मतलब
Which was the club that you loved the most and which was कि भाई इसका
let me narrow it down.
ठीक है.
I'll not discussing about every club. Elas versus DevSoc. Elas.
Ouch.
Yeah.
What? Why?
भाई इलाज मेरे लिए घर था, like डेप्सॉट मेरे लिए फैमिली था.
Office.
What's the difference?
Devsok was office.
Yeah.
Devsok was
Family
office.
are also the people who आप लड़ लेते हो, आप मतलब चिड़चिड़ हो जाती है, बीटियां आती है, फिर सॉर्ट हो जाता है, फिर हम साथ साथ है होता है. I've learned the most from Depsot. Like there is no place on campus which has just taught me as much and given me as many people as Depsot.
Yeah.
Right. But ELAS is like that one group of cousins you meet every 6 months.
Oh,
Cousins.
आप जाओगे बस मस्त बकचोदी पेलेंगे, एक दूसरे की लाइफ के
I
बारे
think
में
it's because of
सुनेंगे.
the frequency that you meet in Depsok. I think the same I face. The more you meet with people, the less.
Interestingly, ELAS में I don't think that was the problem.
Okay.
ELAS में it was a small bunch of frankly autistic people who just knew a lot about a lot of random
Random
shit.
shit.
हाँ.
So
Gurendra Singh Sahni.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल
I'll be
बिल्कुल.
asking you a question like, who is your like second favorite person in Ilas after Gurekas?
I love that club honestly. Like ELAS is like a playground.
Okay.
ELAS is a
From
playground.
home to playground.
It's not a home, it's
It's
a
everything.
playground.
It's all happy places.
हाँ भाई, ELAS is
Depsok was just a commitment you have to get done with.
no,
office
no,
से.
no. I would not. That is very uncharitable. That is not what I said. No. Depsot के साथ ना मैं भाई बहुत emotionally invested थी.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
And when you're emotionally invested, क्या होता है? I think both your happy emotions and your sad emotions come out.
True.
Like you have both your positive and your negative emotions
Okay.
associated. भाई बेचारा ऐसे मैं कुछ जा रहा था.
Can you turn the camera?
I'll record it.
Thank you. Wait.
Bro, I feel so bad. Yeah, please.
Okay.
Thank
अच्छा.
you.
Thank you.
I'll be adding this.
Thank you. Arthur.
Thank you so much.
So,
I'm so sorry.
we would like to like say our thanks to our cameraman Atharu Salukhe. He's from like
Here
Mumbai.
Wingy of Kasa.
MVP.
Yeah. Like, oh, he's from Mumbai. Okay.
Okay, Mumbai. हाँ.
And
Mumbai का है.
He's a great mind of maths. Like he's just amazing. He I
We'll
cheat
see
from him.
research
in the
papers in
tut-
coming years. Yeah.
By- wait.
It will be in which curriculum?
I'll be giving him. I'll be getting him an LOR very soon.
You will be getting him in a lower.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, he's close with math.
Oye,
System.
System है भाई
System
का.
है भाई का.
देख लेंगे वो.
वो
ठीक
देख
है.
लेंगे,
हाँ.
हाँ.
Coming back to हाँ.
yeah.
भाई मतलब so one thing about my batch was that we were all very active in quizzing, or at least the most of us.
Okay.
Right. So we were around 5-6 of us. Total batch में थे I think 9-10 लोग roughly. But a good half, more than half of us were all very active and very passionate about quizzing.
Okay.
So it became a very unproblematic, chill community. You know, and like we were all doing our own things outside it. There were eventually from my batch itself 2 people in PU systems too.
Right,
there was one
Anish
guy,
and
Bhaskar, हाँ जी. One guy practically ऐसे अपने कंधों पे FMAC उठा रहा था at one point. At Gandharv, हाँ जी. तो I think everybody was just so. We all had a space to just let go of everything we carried उस point तक and come in and chill and do shit that we like.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
overachievers
Ilas-
were there. They used to chill there.
ना भाई overachievers भी नहीं है. Overachievers ऐसे तो नहीं है.
People carrying other clubs come
Yeah.
here and then rest.
ऐसी बात नहीं है बिल्कुल.
There is a similar group or something, Elas sit posting or something like that.
हाँ हाँ है.
So
Bunch of illusion.
अब ज्यादा एक्टिव कहाँ पे हो?
Depth of.
That's success. See that.
Because of Siddhant Bhamidipati.
No.
Something remotely comparable to depth of post.
That no, there is one group which I'm on, which is very comparable to. It is worse than shit posting, but I'm not active on it. It's called
the
Net
Net
Freedom.
Freedom,
हाँ,
Net
Net
Freedom.
Freedom करके एक group है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
मुझे चीज नहीं समझ आती है भाई मेरे को.
भाई
है कौन
समझ
इसमें?
आ रहा है मेरे को वो दिक्कत है. I understand what's happening
उस
here.
ग्रुप का रिक्रूटमेंट टास्क क्या है?
Oh, भाई.
It just started as a revolt against the Wi-Fi regulations.
It is everything.
हाँ, it's-
उसमें
It's हाँ.
IEM से लेके hentai के अलग-अलग genres तक discussion होते रहते हैं.
What the fuck?
हो सकता है.
I did not want to know.
मैं को बोलना भी नहीं है मैं कुछ.
TMI.
So like coming on DevSoc, like since you
What was
don't
your
like
best
DevSoc.
debate memory?
No.
Let's start.
Firstly, I'll ask like he's a Wingy. He like I know he has a lot of क्या कहते हैं कमियां, flaws. I know a lot. But ये प्रेसिडेंट क्यों नहीं बना उधर डेप्सॉक में? हमारे पूरे विंग का क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर वो टिक गया उधर तो फिर प्रेसिडेंट बनने में क्या लाइक हाउ इज रिशांत बेटर देन हिम?
No, not in that way, but
नो ही इज बेटर देन यू.
पीने तो दे भाई.
yeah, I do agree. दो बात है.
No, हरी नहीं.
Arey, Hari na yaar. I got A in his course Contemporary India.
Oh, when did you do Contemporary India?
In my 2-2. Like you 3-2.
Oh, okay. That was the sem where he left midway. So
Yeah,
I did
yeah,
Contemporary
yeah.
India in my 2-2.
Oh, अच्छा. I was CT.
ओए क्या बात है.
Yeah.
ए बोल दिया कौन
ओए,
जाता
M plus 70 था मैं. 200
बात
कोर्स
है.
में, समझा?
क्या
तभी
बात
से ले.
है.
My
थोड़ा-
project was the best project.
थोड़ा-
Like, वो he gives the
SSA,
project.
हाँ, I had a very good SSA too. He was very
What
happy.
is the topic though?
There is a Dalit Christian author, Tamil author called Bama.
Okay.
Okay, and well, Dalit Christian bola to Dalit hai. She was a Christian missionary and author. She wrote a book called Karukku, which in Tamil means palm leaves.
Okay.
Or like a palmera leaf. It means a जैसे palmera leaf double edged होता है
This
ना.
is the description of Navin Venkat. He writes Kirk. They have seen him writing Kirk's.
No, Karukku is a leaf. Karukku, it's a type of a leaf जो double edged होता है. ठीक है, it's a palmera leaf. So this was actually her like memoir about her like childhood and like her life basically, and I talked about how her experience as a Dalit individual
Okay.
not only influenced her decision to become a Christian, but how all these aspects of her identity just never left her behind. कि वो दलित थे point पे, वो औरत है, वो Christian है. It was her life put in छोटी-छोटी stories. And I actually talked about that and intersectionality and what it means for like society. And भाई मैं मतलब
The
थोड़ा
topic
दिमाग
is
लगा
itself
रही थी.
sounding like impressive. Like what I chose was a very vague topic. Like I chose the 1975 the emergency thing because it was
Blue
the part
Star
of course
or-
also. No, before that, like the emergency imposing
Oh,
Indira Gandhi and everything.
did you cover the Nasbandi?
Yeah.
You covered the Nasbandi, okay.
What's your take on that?
भाई बकवास मत करो, जाओ कंडम लगा लो, काफी है भाई, क्या
Yeah. So, do you wanna ask?
But
Please
your
continue.
favorite debate memory? Shankar Vyas mess debate.
Oh no.
Oh, अच्छा.
Oh.
The sticker, and it was worse because two of my EC members were living in Vyas. वो छोड़, my brother lived in Vyas that time.
अच्छा,
Oh.
Yeah.
And like your favorite junior was also there, and your SSMSCC member Seshadri.
Seshadri. I don't.
Idli was in Vyas. Rudro was in Vyas.
Yeah.
Siddharth was in Vyas.
Prince still remembers that.
Yeah.
It's a core
It's a
memory
nightmare
of
for
all our
him.
wingies.
क्यों?
I don't know. It was a transformational
Like-
moment for the Shankar Vyas mess debate.
Like
I don't know.
Idli
Which
said,
was
are you
the-
guys like the Shankar Vyas mess?
Huh. Are you guys dumb? Are you dumb fucks?
Are you guys dumb fucks? Yeah.
But I don't know. The entire experience was.
No, I think, and then
core memory
Brahman
for us.
said language,
हाँ.
and then मैंने कुछ तो उल्टा
हाँ,
सीधा
हाँ,
बोल रहा था, मुझे याद भी नहीं है
Sounded
ना.
like anything.
No, that was not that time. I said something like other people were shouting when Brahman said language, and then I told Abhijit to like apologize, and then I asked the Preet camp ki, do you all really need other people cheering you on to feel good about yourself? ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं.
Also we prepared him for a few points, and he I think misspelled recycled with initiated. She's like, should I call CRC? Did you start, or you're just trying to implement
He
it?
said, na, like, will we, yeah,
हाँ, I remember.
benches.
Yeah.
Repositioning of the
Repositioning of the bench.
कहाँ लगाओगे मेरे को दिखा. So I don't know. It's a core memory for entire of our wing.
अच्छा है कि आपने तो कोई SR में नहीं थे आपके फर्स्ट ईयर में. अगर वो होता तो वो असली कोर मेमोरी बन जाती.
How was it?
आपको याद तो रहेगा.
Oh, अच्छा.
अच्छा, so there is this.
हाँ
अच्छा, थाली बज रही थी वहाँ पे.
हाँ भाई, those guys were going crazy. They were like beating plates. They were like shouting.
Amazing people.
हाँ, chill थे यार. And frankly, I had a great time with Kaswan in SSMSCC.
Yeah.
Like he's one of the most pleasant people I've had to work with there. तो मुझे in general just मजा आया था उनके साथ.
Following up on this, what's your views on Gypsy Boys? What's your views on
I'll
Gypsy
tell
Boys?
you how many gypsy boys I know. I know you.
Because we are kind of framed as the most badmosh or the troublemakers of the campus. What's outsiders' view or the third person view of Gypsy Boys?
मेरे को ऐसे 3 gypsy boy पता है. If I include you now, 4.
Yeah.
Of you, 2 are my club juniors.
I am very good.
You and Guri. Right. And I've met you now.
Yeah.
Right. And Khurana, I've met ऐसे. He's a fun person to talk to. मेरे को मजा आता है उससे बात करने में.
He'll be so happy by this listening to this. Khurana, this is for you.
Khurana, this for you.
I've had like the 4 people I've interacted with.
So
I've had
you
good
left
times
one
with.
person, like snaps were going on, and you were in white sari,
I
and
was.
Preet took a
Preet,
picture
Oh
with you.
yeah.
Yeah, you're so like. Should I approach this?
Bro, but honestly, I've actually never had a real conversation with Preet Vardhan. I don't know how he is as a person.
Are you on the campus next year? Next semester?
No, she
Acha,
won't
no.
be.
If
PS.
somehow
Might be
his junior wins the election, he'll be definitely coming to the campus.
Okay, who is this junior?
Like anyone, we'll be not promoting any.
He's still the guy. He's still the active in.
He's still
point of
active, but I thought he was PS2.
Huh,
He's
but
like-
he can be.
he can
if you
like
want to.
give his moral support
He's
to his
that
juniors,
zeal
right?
of he's that motivated,
Yeah.
passionate about.
So if his
campus
junior
politics.
wins, let's say,
वो celebrate करने में हो
he'll
जाएगा.
be coming there. So we'll be setting a meeting of you.
Sure,
with him.
भाई. I have actually never had a. मतलब भाई मैं क्या opinion बांटूं यार? I've never had a conversation with him. सुन नहीं लग रहा भाई मुझे.
The reason I'm bringing this up because people at our core feel again think of us as a different image, but for us Gypsy Boys is again like home. कि 20 लोग 20 लौंडे have nothing else to do, are experiencing freedom for the first time, but together. So that's our memory of Gypsy Boys, but we're still tainted in some way.
मैं एक बात बताऊं?
हाँ.
I think मैं ना campus पे I don't know a lot of people as polarizing as I am.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
हाँ.
सच बताओ तो I have done many good things, but also I have done incredibly fucked up things. Incredibly मतलब ethically grey नहीं होते, ethically black होते हैं. ऐसे काम भी मैंने किया है. ठीक
For
है?
example.
I'm not going to name that. No, we're not going to take examples today. Yeah. And I have also in return had that shit happen to me.
Okay.
So I have seen the spectrum of like people telling me that people treating
Appreciating
me.
you, huh?
Yeah, like I am a very good person to them. I've been a very good friend to them, very good partner to them, whatever. I've also seen people saying that I am the worst person they know. Point blank. I've also seen people respecting me. I've also seen people fearing me. And whatever emotion that's come, चाहे वो love हो, hatred हो, respect हो, fear हो, jealousy हो, जो भी हो, वो सब बहुत extremes में आया मेरे तरफ. And मैं ना सच बताऊँ तो मैं बहुत बेटी थी इसके साथ.
But how did you
For the
handle
first
this?
4 years. मेरे से intimidate क्यों हो रहे हो? मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा? मैंने क्या किया? मैंने ये किया? Oh, you just don't like my honesty. That's why you hate me. मैं थी pretentious. That's why you didn't like me. मैं थी बकवास. That's why you didn't like me. मैं थी मतलब I took my time to learn my lessons. भाई मेरे को 4 साल होके 21 पे आके अभी 21 खत्म होके 22 शुरू होने वाला है, राइट? एंड अब आके हम रियलाइजिंग कि मैंने बहुत चूतिया चोले किया है कैंपस पे. बहुत चूतिया चोले किया है कैंपस पे. ठीक है, लाइक I would in fact go so far as to say कि every opinion every person has shared about me has some level of truth and some level of validity to it.
Okay.
100%. Now the lesson that I learned was कि मैं कौन हूँ? मैं तो कुछ हूँ ही नहीं. मैं तो बस एक छोटा सा हिस्सा हूँ इस बड़ी सी दुनिया का. मतलब भाई I am just a
Did you do Bhagavad Gita also?
I have read Gita. I have not studied Gita.
Okay.
No, I have not like done the course, but मैंने पढ़ा है book को. Like I realized that ये मैं who am I, what am I, how can you think of me that way? इन सब के पीछे अगर मैं भागती जाऊँ तो मेरी sense of identity कहाँ से आएगी?
Okay.
So I realized कि I cannot be defined by the best or the worst things that I've done. Then by extension, if that is what has formed other people's opinions, I can only reflect, do better as a person. At the end of the day, I'm just young, bro. I'm 21. I'm bound to do shit that looks cool.
Okay.
I'm bound to do shit that seems fucked up. I'm bound to do cool shit and fucked up
Yeah.
shit. Like I can't, stay hung up on one. And I think ये सीखने से सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये मिली कि मैं दूसरों को भी जज करना बहुत कम किया.
Okay.
In the
Right.
sense कि if I hear that somebody is super fucked up or did something really messy, really sticky.
Going through a phase or just figuring out.
Phase भी हो, figuring shit out हो, just did something despicable हो. Like ठीक है भाई, सब सीख जाते हैं, आप भी सीख लो। ये आपको, आई थिंक वी ऑल हैव लाइक अ सेट ऑफ लेसन्स जो से प्रीडेस्टिन्ड आया है कि आपको ये लाइफ में ये सीखना ही होगा। हम
ये तो सीख के ही जाना है।
हाँ भाई,
You
हम
can't
सभी
avoid
सीख
this,
के
हाँ।
जा रहे हैं, ये अवॉइड नहीं कर पाएंगे हम। तो अकाउंटेबिलिटी ले लो, खत्म करो, सीखो, आगे बढ़ो। विद दैट बीइंग सेड, नो, आई एक्चुअली थिंक द 4 gypsy boys I know I quite like.
Okay.
So what do I say?
Gypsy boys approved.
Subscribe, approve, action, ऐसा बात ही। Following
This can
upon-
be our like title
Yeah,
also.
this can be a thumbnail also. Yeah.
You know what? I think we should shift to Kannada because that's Sir's.
Yeah.
So, hello again. After a break,
A familiar place.
yeah,
Most familiar place.
our seniors or batches who are like on their PS or on their jobs. This is Connaught, and we are sitting outside Pandeji. So,
Yeah, let's start. Let's
Hi, Akshita with the second prompt. Something that not a lot of people know about me is that I'm a first gen university student and I spent many summers in my grandparents' place. Except this place is a tiny village in the middle of nowhere in central Karnataka called Chikshetkere, which doesn't even have its own post office. Here though, I saw tech transform lives.
Let's not disturb Pandey ji,
Yeah.
please. Thank you.
it was a very aesthetic place and location. That is the reason.
True.
Yeah. So,
Very well designed.
yeah, well, I think we have discussed Gypsy Boys. Now let's move to major part of our campus life have been hostel life. जैसे ही 10 बजती है, कुछ तो बकचोदी होती है, कोई किसी तो रूम में सब
ये
10
ना
लोग होते हैं।
boys experience है.
हाँ, so wanted to ask फीमेल का क्या होता है हॉस्टल लाइफ अवर एवरी माइक्रो सी वी हैव मल्टीपल मेजर एक्सपीरियंसेस और डेली का वो माइक्रो बकचोदी वो याद आता है कि हाँ भाई उसके रूम में ये बकचोदी किए थे, इसके रूम में ये किए, जाकर पानी
हाँ,
डाल
यहाँ ऐसा तो नहीं होता है भाई, मीरा भवन में. ऐसा
हाउस
तो
मीरा
नहीं.
लाइफ हाँ ऐसा
मीरा लाइफ हैज
Is
अ
it
लॉट
bad?
ऑफ फेमिनिन एनर्जी. ठीक है, फेमिनिन एनर्जी का गुड बैड दोनों आता है. फिर आई लव how safe Meera Bhavan feels. I love how comfortable Meera Bhavan feels. I love that Meera Bhavan is just, हाँ, वहाँ लड़के नहीं है, सबसे अच्छी बात है.
ओके सो अगेंस्ट कोएड हॉस्टल्स
No. I'm not against them. No. I'm very in favor of co-ed hostels. Trust me. But like, it kind of like is not fun when you don't have women around. Like there are just some ऐसे समझ लो ना. Even if you have like a female friend, right? चाहे जितना भी close हो, there are just some things you will not be able to tell them, right? So similarly, there are जितना भी close male friends हो, there are some things that and like some means of expression that you'll only reserve for your girls, right? So yeah, that is again the good of it. The bad of it is also कि you know like fights होते रहते हैं, क्लेश होती रहती है, वो हर एक की कहानी है.
फीमेल्स में ज़्यादा फाइट्स होते कंपेयर टू बॉयज
भाई ये ऐसे तो
कैन यू जनरलाइज दैट
मुझे कैसे पता मेल फ्रेंडशिप्स क्या होगा, मैं कैसे जनरलाइज करूं. मैं तो मेल फीमेल
our
करूंगी.
biggest example of male friendship is this guy, the cameraman. So you know how big our fight was.
I
in
just
second
met
year.
him a couple of hours ago.
No, but
No,
like,
but our friendship is that strong that even whatever shit happened in the
political
second year,
things.
and it was a major shit, the both political and then leading up to third year, still we were like कि भाई इसको separate रखना, इसको separate रखना.
like he was an NPC, but like he was friends. like विंगी है उनका और हमारा विंगी like उनके बिल्कुल खिलाफ है.
Okay.
इनके सब विंग्स चौकी वाले बाजू वाले विंग्स रहेंगे.
Oh, that's rough.
This guy is bad.
But so हाँ,
No. It's like the fault is in Hellas people.
हाँ, yeah, गोरे कैसे.
डाल दे भाई बेचारे पे.
But how friendships and because पहली बार आप आ रहे हो.
यार आई थिंक अब ना मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा अलग हो चुका है इन द सेंस कि आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स ग्रेजुएट. आई हैव सीन फ्रेंडशिप्स व्हिच रैन देयर कोर्स. आई थिंक लाइक देखो ऐसे समझ लो ना, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फोर्थ ईयर, फिफ्थ ईयर, वी आर ऑल वेरी डिफरेंट पीपल. हर साल हम कुछ नए सीखते हैं, हमारे में ऐसे कुछ अंधा चेंज आ जाता है. कुछ for some year, like for some reason, like every year as it's happening हमें लग ही रहा होता है कि अरे ये तो अनइवेंटफुल है, तो बोरिंग है. But then जैसे जैसे साल खत्म हो जाता है तब ना तो हम रियलाइज करते हैं कि shit, the year's over, and ना ही हम ये रियलाइज करते हैं कि shit, we're not the same person we used to be. Right? So I think that way I think every bhavan you go to is a very nice place, चाहे वो girls हो या boys हो, because sometimes people grow apart. Sometimes you find new people who you think shit मैं इनसे कभी पहले क्यों नहीं मिला, why did it take me so long to get to them?
Right.
And then you see ऐसे some people who you know, they were right for that moment,
Yeah.
you know. तो ऐसे I think वो experience वो gender नहीं कर पाओगे आप. I think every guy, every girl has been through
Yeah.
that. Like मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि some of the people who started off as my closest friends on campus, we don't talk to each other anymore. And some
Okay.
of the people who started off as
Unknowns.
unknowns एकदम, right? Like we had so many mutual friends, but फिर भी we never managed to interact. Like there are people who we spend time with daily now.
Yeah.
ऐसे जो NPCs थे, you know, or whatever थे, like I think friendships are very dynamic that way यार. So at the end of the day, आप जो भी भवन में थे या जो भी इसमें थे, I am so driven to believe कि there might just be what 2, 3, 4, 5 people
Yeah,
who
at the end
intimately
of the
know
Right.
the details of your life even once you're out of here. क्योंकि वो effort डालना भी मुश्किल है.
That's true.
Yeah. So,
Like you told about the growth that you see in the campus. I'll be taking example of Atharva. Like like you know him from first year, and this is 4th year now. So you have seen him grow as a child or like as a younger brother or anything.
so he's probably older than I am, भाई.
No, he's not a
कौन सी बात
dropper.
है?
2004 14th में.
I am December 2003 तो.
So like it's almost same age. So like you have seen him grow
He's
as a
older
person. So like how do you like see his journey? Like if you want to talk about him like for like 5 minutes कि क्या है ये बंदा क्या?
1 minute
मतलब चलो 1 मिनट का ही इसका कंटेंट अगर है.
भाई I think अथर्व के साथ ना
हाँ.
the most ऐसे revealing thing I've seen is like his confidence grow as a person.
Okay.
Like so there was a perception until my batch कि
Yeah.
डेप्सॉप में वही बच्चे जाते हैं जो ऐसे थोड़ा पॉश सा है, tier S tier cities, metro
हाँ.
cities से है. It's either Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, something like this. And not even Hyderabad,
Yeah,
just
like
these.
Hyderabad तो
Just like these 4-5 cities,
Yeah, got it.
you know, यही लोग जा पुणे, you know, these people go, बस English चार देते हैं, you know, बस कुछ pretentious बातें बोलते हैं, फिर आते हैं. To a great extent, true. Depsok is still a very pretentious place. I love it. I love it for what it is. It is pretentious, it is elitist, and I'm okay with that. It is what it is. Right? Excuse me. So, I think, though when we came to second year, I think those of us who were very involved with recruitments, we made a very conscious decision कि बात करने का तरीका हम सिखा पाएंगे लोगों को,
Okay.
but सोचने का तरीका हम नहीं सिखा पाएंगे. So we started looking for that. We started hunting for that, and that's how we found Athar.
Okay.
ठीक है. Like इनके
I'm
बाद
thankful that they changed this criteria during my years.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nothing to be thankful about. I think it was a very natural progression. होना ही था. होना ही था. अगर आपको उसे talent retain करना था तो होना ही था. I would say. So I saw him change from like a person who was just who would like come to me in first year and say कि you know यार मुझे English में बात करने में दिक्कत आ रही है. मुझे अपने thoughts express करने में दिक्कत आ रही है. That I thought of this but I didn't know how to say it. Right. And confidence need not just look like knowing exactly how to say it. It can also just look like saying it nonetheless.
Right.
Yeah.
You know? So just the ability to put himself out there is something that I've seen like grow in Atharva, and I think that's awesome. That's really, really cool. Right. So that's one thing.
And he was the outreach head or something, right?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I saw him step the
Yeah.
fuck up. It was great. And that was like a pipeline that I built from almost nothing. Okay. Like you guys, like your batch still does not have the imagination of how rough second year was for me
Okay.
in depth out. Because I was just having to build systems from scratch. Outreach का खुद ही बनाना पड़ा, training का खुद ही बनाना पड़ा, काम का खुद ही बनाना पड़ा. So
Because she is our president from our first year. Because our presidents were nowhere active as she was, though being in second year. तो मेरी लक्ष्यता है first year से ही president है. But I think the major two factors that helped me grow was my wing, because they pushed me to try. I couldn't imagine doing this shit in first year. And the second was DepSoc, because DepSoc was every day was kind of a challenge for me to show up and maybe put myself out there. And I'm much more comfortable doing that. I think I'm thankful to 21 batch also for this.
Like in our wing there was a perception in first year like he was not in our group of
So I was
friends,
not
like
initially in their wing. I was some other
like
wing.
he was in the same row but he used to chill with like this 4 people का group जिनसे अभी इसकी बात भी नहीं होती.
okay.
But now like फिर हमारा क्या एक म्याऊ का क्विज था फर्स्ट ईयर में.
All dual lights gathered together. भाई grant फट रही है, कुछ तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. And then I met.
Yeah,
These
so then he
guys.
came in like ये हर एक क्लब तक अप्लाई कर रहा था. He was so serious about CEL उस टाइम पे in Wall Street Club, DepSoc वगैरह के लिए हर एक मतलब जब भी कोई रिक्रूटमेंट आता था ये रूम लॉक करके एकदम उस रिक्रूटमेंट की तैयारी करता था. Then he was like बहुत अफेक्ट हुआ था CEL से जब ये रिजेक्ट हुआ था because his
Very
brother
last
apparently
seventh
was like Yeah, he was like last PA round होते हैं ना कि अब तेरे को लेना नहीं लेना वो
personally.
exactly. So his brother was ECL head in IIT Madras.
Oh, you have a अच्छा वो जो
The
हाँ cousin
GIC
cousin
guy,
cousin.
yeah.
No, it's my
Own brother.
biological brother.
Biological brother. Yeah. So
But
that
I thought he was the cousin
No.
guy.
like his mother and father can create.
Yeah. Two
Hey.
different sets of people.
Yeah. So but
I'm the backup.
and slowly like in second year he grew a lot as a person, and then he started like talking to people, outreach and everything. So
I think outreach helped a lot during for that.
and he used
But
to
भाई
idealize you a lot.
outreach is a thankless job भाई सबसे वाहियात काम
अभी
है
कौन है?
outreach.
अभी
प्रजातो
प्रोजातो हाँ क्यूटी अच्छा काम करेगा
स्वीट बच्चा
हाँ
एकदम.
प्रॉपर बंगाली काम करता पढ़ाई करता है काम बस
So how do you see the first year DevSocs now? Like how do you see them?
I don't know a lot of them. खुश मेरा ऐसे छोटा भाई की तरह है, ठीक है, वो बकता रहे ना मैं उसको से टपली मार यादें रहूंगी. खुश इज वेरी ऐसे नो filter करीब, though he can be very annoying sometimes.
but us
But,
also 22 batch from our
भाई
first
आप
year.
लोग मेरे लिए बच्चे नहीं हो. आप थे एक पॉइंट पे, सेकंड ईयर में बच्चे
Outreach
थे.
बच्चास
आउटरीच बच्चा थे आप मेरे. बट नाउ लाइक आई थिंक ये सबके साथ होता है ना. द मोमेंट एवरीबॉडी हिट्स थर्ड ईयर
Yeah.
देयर ऑल द सेम.
Right.
3 हो 4 हो 5 हो आप सब सेम ही हो.
हाँ.
तो
Threshold cross हो.
थ्रेशोल्ड क्रॉस हो जाता है. like after third year one batch up, two batches up does not matter. You're all in a similar boat.
Right.
So आप लोग मेरे लिए like you're all the same.
बेशर्म हो चुका हूँ मतलब.
हाँ भाई हाँ, this is not ऐसे you know
there's no like
gap. And in general no, I think I don't do very well with hierarchies. मेरा वो पहले से थोड़ा रहा है. मेरे को ये भैया दीदी कल्चर हो या
हाँ,
ऐसे
So you entered this culture और ये पहले से नहीं था DevSocs के अंदर.
the people I was exposed to कभी नहीं था.
Okay.
I think there are very few clubs on campus that don't do भैया दीदी system. HDC is one of them, but that's separate reason, right? DevSocs में पहले दिन बोलते हैं भैया दीदी नहीं चलता है, तुम बस respectfully बात करना. It's very good.
हाँ, and plus that also like in my batch you had a lot of people जिनके लिए नहीं जमता था. And plus that honestly like I'd say बैंगलोर का जहाँ पे भी डोमिनेंस रहेगा वहाँ भैया दीदी कल्चर नहीं चलेगा. Like बैंगलोर में हाँ
अन्ना
no Anna is what we call taxi driver, like auto भैया.
अच्छा
Anna is just older brother.
और गाली करना.
Gatwik Anna. He's our hockey captain.
No you can, I mean I think he's Telugu.
Yeah,
So हाँ वहाँ
we
तभी
think
चलता
ना North Indian think कि भैया को अन्ना बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
Don't generalize.
हाँ, हम ना भैया like in general also okay. वैसे तो मैं single child हूँ,
हाँ.
ठीक है,
हाँ, अच्छा.
and I'm the youngest cousin and I'm very close to my cousins. Okay? I love them to
Everyone of
pieces. No, the ones who are like around, the ones who are around, I have a lot of love for them. I'm tight with my like their kids also, like so and my house is always a naam se bulane wale. So my father and my mother are both the youngest siblings. My father has 2 older siblings, my mother had 2 older siblings. So even they were all like calling their siblings by name. By name ऐसे. So I think मेरे लिए ना कभी वो भैया दीदी वाला concept ही register नहीं हुआ. तो after a point like I like when I came here it was a bit of a culture shock. सच बताऊँ
What all reflecting back on your journey, you would have decided few bucket list items in your first year. Reflecting back now, what things you still have to do? Still कि you have more 2-3 months और क्या tick off करना चाहोगे?
खेतरी जाना है बस और सब खत्म.
शिवगंगा जाना है भाई आपने.
Have you been to Shiv Ganga? Okay. How's it? Give what answer. Watch this. Yeah.
She is very close to admin.
Yeah. Like admin is very close to her.
Yeah.
You had me. Yes,
That's
I've learned a lot from them.
That's it.
I've learned a lot from them. बस.
Yeah. That's like we have also learned a lot. How to say no without saying no. Yeah. So
Now reflecting on the SI.
no. Like before that, like if like let's say, can we dwell into the love life or the friendship goals here? Like
Sure.
You both can. I'll
Yeah, like,
I'll observe.
So, what is your definition of love? Like no, like we in childhood we have used to like we saw that ना cringe
खतरनाक
वाला
सवाल
meme.
पूछ लिया भाई.
अरे that meme is there ना कुछ होता है हमें राहुल प्यार क्या है like
हाँ प्यार दोस्ती है वो
हाँ
वाली.
वही. So what is your definition of love?
Hi, there I've just come out of a really rough spot, right? A lot of fumbling on my end. Like just money, not just, but
Yeah.
थोड़ा time हो
हाँ,
गया. I think my definition of love is not formed.
Okay.
ठीक है. I can tell when I love somebody, चाहे वो romantic हो या platonic हो. If you ऐसे अगर मेरे से पूछा अच्छा यार क्या तुम तुम्हारे मम्मी से प्यार करते हो? मैं आँख बंद करके बोलूँगी हाँ
हाँ करती हूँ।
हाँ। बट तुम मम्मी से क्यों प्यार करते हो पूछा तो मैं मतलब नहीं बता पाऊंगी भाई। मेरे ऐसा डेफिनेशन थोड़ा फॉर्म्ड सा नहीं है, एंड आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अराउंड द कन्वेंशनल डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट। फ्रैंकली आई स्पेंट ऐसे मंथ्स टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस टू माय एक्सेस, टू माय थेरेपिस्ट, ऐसे बहुत बती हूँ मैं इसके बारे में। आई थिंक I'm still in process of growing it and refining what it really means to me personally.
What's your definition?
हाँ भाई, what is your definition of love?
For my, like, again, same process, we are the same age, so like we are refining. But I think if you are learning from a person and at the same time you are loving that person, you are admiring that person and loving that person and caring for that person, and that person is giving you the emotional support, that is enough for me.
अपन दोनों कर लेंगे नहीं ना, मतलब there's something
That,
unique.
हाँ,
But ये भी तो प्यार ही है।
तो तू क्या तुम्हें से प्यार नहीं करता भाई?
ये भी तो प्यार ही है।
तुम्हें से प्यार नहीं करता भाई?
This is just
So why
friendship।
the fuck are you sitting here for my work, for my channel?
हाँ, प्यार तो है ही।
Obviously. अच्छा, let's discuss his case. Like,
अरे भाई,
he is not successful in love area.
भाई मैं कौन सी बड़ी
They
successful
are successful as in he is trying to just get there. So like the thing that we discussed behind the scenes, for like not like specifically him, like the common noun behind him, like जिनको लगता है कि लड़कियों को text कैसे करे, बात कैसे करे, how you guys think about a text and anything, कि like इतना सोचना चाहिए क्या text करने से पहले?
भाई,
people like me
honestly I am the worst person to ask, ठीक है? पता है क्यों? Because मेरा अब थोड़ा पॉलिसी अभी बन गया है कि आई थिंक इट वाज अ फीलिंग पहले से, बट इट्स लाइक रियली गॉट सीमेंटेड अभी कि यू नो आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक रियली जस्ट नीड टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद अ पर्सन बिफोर आई डेट देम, बिफोर आई लाइक गेट इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप विद देम। एक तो वो, एंड दूसरा कि मेरे से फिजिकल रिलेशनशिप्स नहीं हो पाएगा।
Okay.
तो आई थिंक ये दोनों चीज़ें सीखने के बाद आई काइंड ऑफ realized that how do I say this, ये सब ऐसे sliding into somebody's DMs हो, ऐसे asking them out on a date हो, it's not my style.
Okay.
Like I've never really been into that. I've never really been into dating apps. I've never really been into that approach of things. So ये track पे मैं नहीं भागती, तो I can't help.
I don't know, we
But she told the worst case. Like she.
नहीं, हाँ, मेरा ना सबसे worst case है, trust me. In so many ways,
Yeah.
in so many ways, I am the absolute worst case. ठीक है?
how do you drop the hints in between in the friendship, because you don't want to ruin the friendship, now you want to drop the hints.
ये तो
अभी
बड़ा-
making it therapy,
How to
भाई,
go
अपन-
from white to grey or black
White
to grey?
to
then grey to
grey।
black.
भाई
और उल्टा
ये ना
जो भी।
ये बहुत ऐसे डाइसी टेरिटरी हो जाती है।
That is
do
why
you,
it's grey, no?
do females appreciate the sprinkle of hints, or you can
भाई
catch the
मैं
bullshit
क्या,
easily?
मेरे को हिंट समझ में आना चाहिए ना, मेरे को हिंट समझ में आना। लिटरली माय अप्रोच इज सो बैड कि अगर मुझे रट फीलिंग आती है कि हाँ यहाँ पर कुछ है
हाँ।
जो रोमांटिक नहीं है, आई विल सिट ऑन इट एंड आई विल स्ट्यू फॉर मंथ्स एंड मंथ्स ऑन एंड आई विल गेट माय क्लोज फ्रेंड्स इन्वॉल्वड। आई आस्क देम ब्रो आज ये हुआ, ये क्या चल रहा है, आई एम सो सिक ऑफ हिम, आई एम सो सिक ऑफ दैट, आई एम सो दिस, आई एम सो दैट। मैं पूरा रंडी रोना करूँगी, फिर मैं रीसेंटर हो जाऊँगी, फिर मैं वापस रंडी रोना करूँगी। भाई मेरी गंदी साइकिल है, ठीक है?
Like his cycle is similar, but like his cycle is like
Why are we
the
discussing my
expiry the expiry date of his cycle is 2 hours.
नहीं, मेरी 3 दिन है, मेरी 3 दिन है।
After that, we realizing I don't want to do this shit and everything. So I knew his phone ka password.
हाँ.
I set up his phone in first year, so I knew. Like I set my phone ka password. So what happened? He thought कि I'll be texting his girl, like जिसको अप्रोच करना था तो इसकी फटती है तो मैं कर दूंगा इसके साइड से। इसने पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया अपना रात
और
को,
भूल गया।
और फिर दिन भूल गया। अब now he has no data of his phone
हाँ,
क्योंकि
I had to reboot the phone to open it.
ओ भाई ये तो बीटी टेरिटरी है।
But ठीक है, ठीक है. So let's not discuss my life. How was internship phase for you? Applying for PNG and
ओ
then the-
भाई PNG happened very early ना, तो in my 3-2 I applied, like 3-2 midsem के just बाद I
Yeah,
applied।
yeah. Same process.
sorry to cut you, but like we both are PNG rejects.
मैं अभी तो PNG रिजेक्ट हूँ, मेरे को कौन सा
No,
PNG
no.
मिला?
PPO. We are resume reject. हम वहाँ
It's like कि you kicked him out from the DevSoc after probation, and I was round 2.
So yeah, coming to PNG, how was the experience? How was the PNG experience?
I lived in a new city all by myself
We were
with my
in the
own-
same city at the same time, but coming
but we
in-
never met.
sad.
You never
PNG
know.
was in Delhi.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. हाँ तो भाई I met amazing people there, right? So I was in a co-living space. And वहाँ पर there was me and a friend of mine, Abhilash, right? And we were the only people like that young. मतलब दो और थे but वो हमसे ज़्यादा interact नहीं करते थे. Right? So we two and the bulk of our friends and the people we spend time with were people in their mid to late 20s, 23, 24
Okay.
till 28. Right? That was our like group, so to speak. So, and then there were people who were super senior, 60-year-old people, 50-year-old people living in that PG, like people who could possibly be older than my dad.
Okay.
हाँ हाँ तो it was very interesting being in a space where आपको feeling आ चुका था कि भाई अब तुम adult हो.
Okay.
Oh, right. The realization down.
That was the sip.
Right.
For me, that was the slap on my face, for the lack of a better word.
So welcome back after a short break. We had 3 pineapple juices and बहुत healthy खाना खाया. बहुत healthy खाना खाया हमने. Good for health and blood and everything. तो अब इसके बाद से like तो अक्सर you are continuing something.
हाँ जी. So I met some really cool people there. Some people who ऐसे instinctively मुझे लगा कि यार ये भी अपने ही है मतलब. But just the reality check कि you are in a different stage of life now. तो एक दिन अचानक से मैं अपनी मम्मी से बात कर रही थी, right? And I told her कि you know now it feels like मैं 5-1 चली भी जाऊँ. To me it feels like मेरी जॉब शुरू हुई है and मेरी पहली पोस्टिंग पिलानी में है 5 महीने के लिए. ऐसे like the life that I led was just so different in Hyderabad. ना कि like it felt almost domestic and co-living में उतना लगता भी नहीं है because there's somebody to clean your room, वो ऐसे आके साफ करके चले जाएंगे, वो खाना पूरा ready रहेगा and all of that. So it didn't feel like that. So the reality check really came off कि you know eventually मेरा खुद का घर रहेगा. घर जाके मुझे अगर रेंटल पे है तो मेंटेनेंस के बारे में सोचना होगा, सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट के बारे में सोचना होगा. एंड उसके रिमाइंडर्स ऐसे जेंटली अभी भी आता है. ऐसे फ्लिपकार्ट की जैसे CTC ब्रेकडाउन मैंने पढ़ा और पापा को बता रही थी एंड देन मैंने उसमें दिखा था कहीं पे ग्रेटुइटी. अब मैं भाई ग्रेटुइटी क्या होता है यार? एंड फिर पापा बैठ के एक्सप्लेन किया कि हाँ नाउ दीज आर योर प्रॉब्लम्स हैव चेंज्ड, दिस इज योर लाइफ नाउ. तो लाइक आई थिंक ऐसा इज वेरी रिवीलिंग.
How like what was your like transition phase like where your parents see you differently?
Now you are
That's
not
a
the
great
sweet,
question. That's a great question. Bhai, my mom took it very hard when I came here because I'm a single child. I'm a single daughter. ठीक है. And neither of my parents completed college. पापा का डिप्लोमा था, मम्मी ने कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट किया basically.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो I am like the first in that line to go to university pretty much. Like my aunts have gone and all that, but like मेरे direct line में I was the first. Okay. And उनको ना ऐसे dad took it very well. Dad took it like a champ. Mom थोड़ा she took her time to get used to it.
Yeah.
फिर जब PNG हुआ था and you got to understand, right? My mom was raised in a village. She doesn't speak English very well. Like we come from a very different background than what it looks like here in Pilani. Because like now you've seen a very different stage of my family.
Yeah.
You've seen me being a product of that, but not me being a product of what we used to be.
Yeah.
You know. तो मम्मी को इतना तक इमेजिनेशन नहीं है कि मैं एज ए केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट क्या पढ़ती हूँ.
Okay.
जब मैं PNG गई थी, आई हैड टू टेल हर कि ये हेड एंड शोल्डर्स बनाते हैं, ये विक्स बनाते हैं, ये टाइड बनाते हैं, ऐसे. एंड व्हेन आई सेड कि आई विल बी अ प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई इंटर्न, she didn't understand what. Bhai, I mean, people on campus struggle to understand कि product supply is not product management, it's not product, right?
Yeah.
So मम्मी को तो कैसे explain करूँ? And then when I told her all of these ये products, she was upset initially कि तू बिट्स आके फैक्ट्री में जाएगी काम करने के लिए.
बेचेगी.
हाँ, मम्मी की दूसरी क्वेश्चन ये थी. After the whole upset phase got over, her next question was, अच्छा SI के बाद भी तुम्हें वो फ्री सैंपल्स देंगे क्या? लाइक तो ऐसे जब हम स्पॉटलाइट पे गए थे ना, वी गॉट दिस गुडी बैग विद टाइट बड़ा सा लिक्विड डिटर्जेंट वाला डब्बा और फिर रेजर्स थे, कुछ थे उनकी प्रोडक्ट लाइन पूरा, राइट. एंड मम्मी अरे डिस्काउंट मिलेगा क्या?
कूपन कोड अक्षता 24.
कूपन कोड है अक्षता PS कुछ तो ऐसा. एंड it was so heartwarming for me at that moment to realize कि भले इनको समझना है कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ, द अनकंडीशनल सपोर्ट दैट दिस इंडिविजुअल इज विलिंग टू गिव मी, राइट, कि ओ वाओ 2.5 लाख मिल रही है इसके लिए, भाई कर ले जाके, यू नो. इवन देन लाइक मेरे जब पहले स्टाइपेंड आई थी, मेरे स्टाइपेंड आने में थोड़ा डिलेज हो गया था, सो आई गॉट एवरीबडी वाज गेटिंग लंप सम, वो जो 4.5 लाख है सबको लंप सम पहली हफ्ते में मिला था, बट मेरे अकाउंट डिटेल देने में थोड़ा इश्यू हो गया था. आई डिडंट गेट इट फॉर अ मंथ. Okay, and when I got it, right, the first thing I did was I just bought myself a big pizza.
Big pizza, okay,
A huge
that's
pizza.
great. Yeah.
And I ate it all by myself. But like, that was the first thing I did, okay? So, तब भी मैं मम्मी से बात कर रही थी क्या किया डिनर के लिए, पूछा, मैंने बोला आई बॉट अ पिज्जा. तो कितने का? डोमिनोज से क्या? ना भाई, बस एक
Normal सा
अच्छे
pizza.
सीरोज करके एक जगह था वहाँ पर, एंड वहाँ पर पिज्जा अच्छा हुआ करता था. ठीक है, तो आई बॉट लाइक ऐसे 900,000 रुपए का पिज्जा.
Pizza, okay.
एंड हर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वाज, इतना कौन खाता है, इतना कौन डालता है पिज्जा पे.
Okay.
तो
Did you buy something for her?
हाँ, आई रियली वांटेड टू. शी सेड नो. नहीं तुम नहीं कर रहे हो.
She should not have asked her, no? Like, she's the kind of-
ना मम्मी ऐसे थोड़ा, शी डजंट टेक दैट वेरी वेल, आई वुड
Okay,
से.
अरे घर से निकाल देंगे.
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं. शी विल बी लाइक लिटिल अपसेट अबाउट इट. ऐसे
Yeah,
क्यों
yeah.
Can't use Savari
किया,
surname
Yeah.
anymore.
ऐसे क्यों किया, ये क्यों किया, वो क्यों.
Yeah, so how do you keep yourself grounded? Like, you are like into the mainstream now, tier 1 college, tier 1 people, tier 1 city के लोग. But since you told कि आपकी मम्मी जो है like not tier 1 ऐसे मतलब
My
वो-
parents, neither
Right.
of them.
So
You-
आप क्योंकि आप इस कल्चर में हो,
हाँ.
पेरेंट्स के फैमिली से आपको मिलना पड़ता होगा, लेकिन you have to deal
बिल्कुल.
with them parents है ना,
बिल्कुल.
तो आपको grounded रहना पड़ेगा. That is a very wide spectrum of people you are dealing with.
Bro, look, I'll put it this way, right? For the first 4 years of my life, I lived in a tiny 1 BHK in Singapore in a government-owned society
Okay.
called Tilot Blanca Heights. Today, I live in a house with 7 floors. ठीक है?
Okay, own house.
Own house with
Okay.
7 floors, like a lot of shit.
A floor to each person.
No, we have 4
3
people.
floors to each person.
We have 4 people in my
Okay,
house.
two floors
हाँ.
per person.
We have 3 to 4 people in my house, including me.
Okay.
So, like, I've seen life dramatically change for them.
Yeah.
In the sense that people don't believe it when I tell them that the first language I learned was not English, it was my mother tongue Kannada.
That's good.
Yeah,
Like,
people
for me,
don't buy
also
it.
it's like Bhojpuri.
Ha,
Yeah.
exactly.
I'm so proud of it though. Like,
I'm extremely
yeah.
proud of where I come from. I'm extremely proud of where I come from. Like, and coming here was obviously, it had its culture shocks, it had its
Yeah.
but automatically I think I also gravitated towards people sooner or later
Huh.
who shared my values.
Hmm.
You know, so it became easier. Obviously, I fumbled along the way. I screwed up. I messed up some friendships. Some friendships messed up with me.
Yeah.
सब होके I found my people जो मेरे साथ रहेंगे, जो even after all my fuck ups, they've just been there with me. They'll tell me, their first question will be, "Are you okay?" And then they'll be like, "So you fucked up here. You should not have done that. It was a terrible, terrible, terrible thing to do." Yeah. So I think I got really lucky. But
Then post PNG, then after PPO rejection, what was mindset at that time, and how you recalibrated for placement?
I was not upset. For some reason, I was not upset. Because मुझे पता था कि if they really had to give one PPO from my office, the person who got it, Archie, deserved it more than I did. बहुत मेहनत की थी भाई. She was often early to the office, but चाहे जो भी हो, she was always the last intern to leave. चाहे जो भी हो, every day I saw Archie leaving at like the odd hours, you know. And I will say that भाई जब ऐसे मेहनत करते हो और तब नहीं मिलता, तब चुप जाता.
Right.
You know, I did not work the way she did. Granted, मतलब maybe I didn't enjoy it as much as she did. Maybe there were other factors there, external factors जो मेरे हाथ में नहीं थे. But I was not upset about it, and I was very secure in that. भाई I believe कि भगवान के हाथ ना हम सबके ऊपर है. तो अगर सबके ऊपर है तो मेरे ऊपर भी है. What is meant to happen to me will happen, and that really kept me grounded.
Yeah. So like this rejection you handled quite well because you knew कि आपसे better बंदे को मिला है. But
हाँ.
there are rejections in your life जहाँ पे you take it very in a bitter way कि भाई मेरे को क्यों reject किया. Like for me,
Why me?
sort of depth was there. Like मेरे को लगता था कि मैं बहुत अच्छा बोलता हूँ and like so that those kind of rejections. So वैसा कुछ rejection लाइफ में हुआ है जो कि ऐसे
हुआ
पता
है भाई, भर भर के हुआ है भाई. Like
Because
What
like,
people
honestly, in
see
our
is the
batch,
wins.
you have the like poo wala image, no?
I think
कि poo को सब कुछ मिल जाता
I
है.
think people just know the highlights of your
Yeah.
life, not
People know the wins. People don't know the.
Exactly.
They don't know the losses. They don't know the L's, the absolute L's I've taken.
Yeah.
Bhai. And
So can you tell
I think it's on the
about
wrong
it?
place.
No problem. It's okay. Like we have the mic, right?
huh.
I trust her.
I trust it. So like tell us about your like those low points where you feel like भाई इसकी तो ऐसी की तैसी मेरे को कैसे रिजेक्ट हो गया मैं यहाँ पे कैसे रिजेक्ट
भाई
हो गया.
मेरे रिजेक्शंस ना हमेशा पर्सनल सर्कमस्टांसेस में हुआ है.
Okay.
जैसे कि no, not like rejected by a guy. That's fine. That's
Yeah,
fine.
That's fine.
I like that's okay. That's whatever. But it's more been like loss जो थीम है ना वो मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ में बहुत हुआ है एज
Okay.
अपोज टू माई प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट रियली शेप मी टू बिकम अ वेरी एक्सटर्नल फेसिंग पर्सन.
Right.
लाइक मैं उखाड़ के दिखाऊंगी. मेरा बस माइंडसेट ऐसा था कमिंग इनटू कॉलेज. इट इज ओनली दिस सेमेस्टर विद एंड लाइक समर like the summer break SI season where so much had happened by then that I had realized कि भाई when was the last time you sat with yourself?
Yeah.
हाँ मैं 2 साल से थेरेपी कर रही हूँ but when was the last time I just sat with myself
Yeah.
and talked to myself and understood me better, you know? So that way 4th year was leading up to that moment. There were changes in my life. There were things I'd learned, things I was like doing right, things I was doing wrong. Right, there was a lot that happened then also. But 5th year was what really cemented for me. SI in 5th year was what really put it out there for me, you know?
Yeah. So like I relate with you like what you said. No, like I also like had a like very big personal loss when I was in 12th. Like my mom passed away. Right, and like I was like in top 1% of the country that time. I was in top 25 batch of quota, like best coaching and everything. So, but then like the perspective of life changed a lot for me. For me, this JE journey, Air 1, 200,
सब फर्क
what placement वगैरह like, so that made me very strong in like a person. Like,
In a way, ना मेरी exact opposite कहानी थी. My father and I didn't talk for a year and a half. My entirety of 11th
Yeah.
till my first JEE mains. If you remember, मेरे time पे 4 JEE mains हुए
हाँ,
थे.
हाँ, हाँ,
So it was February, March, July and August.
I was the dropper, so
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I
Makes
can
sense.
relate that,
Makes sense. तो 11th हाँ 11th से लेके my first mains तक पापा and I did not talk. एक ही घर में रहते थे and 12th was also locked down.
Okay.
So we were forced to be in the same house and yet we did not talk. Right? तो after a point ऐसे I wanted to achieve it to show him.
okay.
You know, I wanted to win to show him. फिर I had given, then eventually things got much better. So this really ties into your question earlier, right? Ki how did your parents process the change in you as a
Yeah.
person? Today I know that when my father and I talk, वो बाप से ज़्यादा मेरे लिए गुरु है.
Okay.
Like he is the one person I've picked up the most from. He's
Yeah.
the one person I'll continue to pick up the most from. And I am his kid. I am him at the end of the day.
Okay.
I am a product of what he's had. I'm a product of what he's been through. I'm a product of him at
He is
the.
your PM.
He is my anchor. He's my North Star.
Okay. Oh, that's
He is my North Star.
Right.
I may not tell him some things, but if he tells me something, I will not ignore it.
okay.
Yeah. So that way, my father's occupied a very special place in my life, an irreplaceable one. And I think that experience really shaped things for me. Then there were other people in my life, friends ho, boyfriends ho, exes ho rather. Everybody like who came, they taught. Some of them left, some of them stayed.
Yeah.
So that's how it was.
If first is Akshata is watching this video right before coming to bits, what would you tell her? Or what advice
So
would you
much I tell her. Right? So much I tell her. On a lighter note, I tell her to lock the fuck in and study. But on
Dual है तेरा.
dual है. No, not even dual है तेरा. Just तुम्हें सुकून मिलने वाला है. POR से, intern से, बस चीज़ों के पीछे, arbitrary चीज़ों के पीछे भागने से तुम्हें सुकून नहीं मिलने वाला है. तुम्हें ROI से सुकून मिलेगा. ROI के अलावा ज़्यादा चीज़ों से सुकून नहीं मिलने वाला. That is what I tell her on a lighter note. But on a real note, I think what first year Akshita would have wanted to hear was that I'm proud of her.
Oh.
That's an interesting
Yeah.
one.
And I'm proud of her. That's all. That's all I
I
got.
think this is a perfect note.
Yeah. So like this is a perfect note. We'll be like like our main motive of this podcast was we wanted to know her. Like we have seen her as a senior, जिसने बहुत उखाड़ा है कैंपस के अंदर. But क्योंकि again she said ना कि
I have seen her from a barrier.
exactly हाँ मतलब और हम like she is meeting me for the first time. अथर्व को तो बहुत ऐसे गाइड करी फर्स्ट ईयर से. So I was very intimidated by her कि भाई मैं क्या बात करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ. I discussed a lot. I called so many of your friends कि भाई क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ क्या पूछूँ ऐसा कि मैं अक्षता को सरप्राइज कर दूंगा फिर मैं थोड़ा ऊपर आ जाऊंगा है ना. मैं सब कुछ मैं सोचा बट लाइक वी डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि हम यहाँ आ जाएंगे इतना कुछ लंबा चल जाएगा. शी इज ऑल्सो प्लेस्ड इन फ्लिपकार्ट बाय द वे. हमने उसके बारे में बात नहीं करी अगेन बिकॉज वी बिलीव कि दैट फ्लिपकार्ट और PNG इज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ व्हाट पर्सन शी इज. एंड हमको ये सक्सेस स्टोरीज आपको इस अक्षरा से 1000 गुना ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होगी इस इंडस्ट्री में मिल जाएंगे. फ्लिपकार्ट में मिल जाएंगे. फ्लिपकार्ट का फाउंडर इससे ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होगा ऑब्वियसली और उसका भी पॉडकास्ट आपको मिल जाएगा राइट. बट हमको है कि एक अक्षता सावा जी कैसे एक फ्लिपकार्ट तक गई और लाइक फ्लिपकार्ट की ऐसी किसी भी रैंडम कंपनी में अगर जाती तो भी दिस पर्सन और दिस पर्सोना दैट शी हैज़ वो इसके साथ रहेगा. वो फ्लिपकार्ट में रहे MNC में रहे या फिर एक नॉर्मल से घर में एक मिडिल क्लास लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली में रहे. दैट पर्सोना इज गोइंग टू बी विथ हर. जो इनका रिलेशन था इनके डैड के साथ इनके मॉम के साथ and how he relates with her. And जो कैंपस के जो struggles थे like she might be having a 7-story building in Bangalore but she's bound to live in a 7x8 room in like
God,
Pilani.
भाई, that was so bad. That was so.
the previous H9.
Yeah.
H9 ने 9th block बोलते हैं. 9th block.
And we as the Residents Union people like we try to better our living but
Sure, buddy.
Hey, Mira's not that bad.
Okay.
oh we work also your voice at work.
Sure.
Yeah, so it's an amazing podcast.
Yeah.
I don't
Only
know.
one request for outro. You want a song of yours?
Yeah, that will be recording it later. And जो लोग भी ये वीडियो यहाँ तक देखे अपार्ट हम RM खुराना प्लीज आप बताओ कि लाइक व्हाट वी कैन इम्प्रूव ऑन लाइक नॉट नेसेसरीली हम आपकी सजेशन को लेंगे वी आर लाइक डूइंग ग्रेट बट आप बताओ हमको कि लाइक डू यू वांट अ वॉल्यूम 2 ऑफ दिस because she is free on the campus and we are also free on the
Will you भाई दुनिया को बता रहे हैं.
She won't approach, right? She won't come for again.
I don't mind भाई मतलब to just sit and talk and chill.
like this was a
क्या
general
है?
podcast. We can like do a specific podcast also if like ये अच्छा चलता है and she is feeling like पता नहीं ना कैसा रिएक्शन है क्या आएगा but it was an amazing experience. So मेरे को आपसे पूछना था कि how was it for you? Like this was your first podcast.
Kind of. I've done these EPC interviews before. I've
This
been on
was
the giving end,
different from
receiving end.
EPC, right? Because वो एक purpose driven होता है.
बिल्कुल. They're often coming with an agenda. So this is very heartwarming. It was a nice conversation. I had a lot of fun.
And what was your expectation versus reality of this podcast?
Honestly, expectation नहीं था भाई. कोई expectation नहीं था. ठीक है, like literally आज दोपहर को I was telling somebody कि हाँ मैं podcast है एक शाम को मैं रिकॉर्ड करने जा रही हूँ and they were like किसके बारे में and literally all I told them was क्या पता भाई.
क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता था.
हाँ, क्या पता भाई. That's literally that was my verbatim text that I dropped. Right, and
चल ओके आजा भाई.
as for reality भाई मजा आ गया
आजा
यार.
हाँ.
आजा भाई.
Virgil आजा.
व्यू में नहीं आया. अरे आजा तू इधर.
नहीं तेरे को बीच में
So he is our friend अथर्व सालोके जिसने पूरा कैमरा हैंडल करा है एंड जब भी कैमरा ऑफ हुआ है तो ही इज द लीड. ठीक है तो भाई बहुत ऐसे मैं इसके कमरे में गया क्लास के बाद. ठीक है और मैं इसको देखा कि इसके पास कैमरा क्यों भरा हुआ है तो इसने बोला कि भाई मैं ट्रैवल को खुद को रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ ये सब करता हूँ. लेकिन अक्षता का पॉडकास्ट कैमरा से रिकॉर्ड करता है क्योंकि हमको था कि भाई अक्षता इज अ बिग डील.
Yeah, we have to step our game.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं भाई
है
कुछ
ना
नहीं.
तो हमको था और लाइक बहुत थैंक यू भाई. तू इतना सारा 5 बजे से तो मेरे लिए भाई है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
और तोषनीवाल भाई को क्या बोला जाए. ही इज माय विंगी तो आई कैन टेक हिम फॉर ग्रांटेड.
वो मेरा पहले से दोस्त है. फर्स्ट डे से दोस्त.
तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ कि तेरे को मैं ग्रांटेड ले
अच्छा
सकता हूँ.
ओके.
ठीक है तो ही इज आल्सो बड़ी लाइक हम हमारा ये कमबैक सेम होने वाला है.
हाँ,
इंस्पायर्ड
I'm so
बाय
proud of
हर.
you
शी
guys.
आल्सो लाइक
Yeah.
4-1 में इनने 9 लाया तो हम
I'm
भी
going to all classes.
या सो वी आर गोइंग टू एवरी क्लासेस.
So proud of you guys. Do it.
सो विल बी डूइंग दिस पॉडकास्ट अगेन एंड अगेन. अलग अलग लोगों के साथ लोग आएंगे और
भाई के साथ कर लेंगे.
इसके साथ करेंगे. कोई नहीं मिला खुद के साथ कर लेंगे. बट विल बी डूइंग दिस अगेन एंड अगेन क्योंकि हमको है कि राज शामानी और ये इलाहाबादिया लोग सक्सेसफुल लोगों को ला रहे हैं. हमको इन प्रोसेस लोगों को लाना है. हाँ दिस टाइम
सक्सेसफुल पीपल.
आप लोग को बियर बाइसेप्स पसंद है?
नहीं एग्जैक्टली
हाँ,
नॉट.
ठीक है.
हमारा मेन पर्पस है कि वो जो दिखा रहे हैं ना वो ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल हो चुके हैं उनको दिखा रहे
बहुत क्या है
हैं.
आप
हमको हर एक इंसान की कहानी जाननी है. आवर नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट इज गोइंग टू बी नागर जी.
क्या बात है. क्या बात है. मजा आ गया सुन
उनको
के.
पहला क्वेश्चन आप भूत में मानते हो.
So this is how it's gonna be. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me, guys. I've loved this conversation. It's been great. Thank you.
I don't know. We didn't expect कि you would agree for this. I don't know. maybe like two random juniors coming कि भाई बात कर लेते हैं. It was very heartwarming कि आप भी accept कर लिए और आ गए.
भाई इसमें तो कुछ नहीं है. थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
एंड भाई तुझे कैसा लगा ये पॉडकास्ट?
बढ़िया था.
मतलब मजा आया था? देख तेरा कैसा एक्सपीरियंस? पहली बार कैसा कैमरा
के पीछे से देख रहा था, मतलब अच्छा लगा.
लेकिन तू ऐसे सीनरी को रिकॉर्ड करता है, इटली का, मिलान में तेरे को अच्छा लगा डांस वहाँ का, तो पेरिस गया वो सब रिकॉर्ड करा इस कैमरे से.
ये
और
भी
फिर हम तीनों को देख रहे
अलग
थे.
एक्सपीरियंस है. लाइक मेरा भी मोटिवेशन है कि मैं जब ट्रैवल करूंगा तो मैं ऐसे रिमोट जगह जाके लोगों के
हाँ.
इंटरव्यू या फिर उनसे बात करूँ कि
That's
उनकी
nice.
क्या लाइफस्टाइल होती है.
Exactly.
दैट्स नाइस.
दैट इज
तो
लाइक
अलग मोटिवेशन है ये.
दैट्स वेरी नाइस.
और मेरे हिसाब से ना लाइक एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन स्टोरी, और तुम पूछते नहीं हो कि वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं है भाई, बट सक्सेसफुल नहीं इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसकी स्टोरी नहीं है भाई.
भाई सक्सेस क्या ही होता है? मतलब
Exactly.
माय सक्सेस एंड योर सक्सेस डेफिनेशंस कुड बी डिफरेंट टू.
एंड व्हेन आई लॉस्ट माय मदर,
हाँ.
मेरा डेफिनेशन ही चेंज हो गया सक्सेस का. जब मैं जब यही फेज में था, वो टॉक्सिक फेज में, कि रैंक लाना ही सक्सेस होता है. बट व्हेन आई वाज देयर लाइक 8 महीने में हॉस्पिटल में था मॉम के साथ. फिर वहाँ पे जब आई लॉस्ट हर, मेरे को दिखा कि भाई लाइफ इज सो बिग. और फिर यू ग्रो एज अ पर्सन व्हेन लाइक योर डैड cries in front of you, no? At the age of like
That's
let's say
actually great.
15, 16, 17 or something like that, you see your dad crying in front of you, then you grow up कि भाई कुछ भी बकचोदी नहीं करनी, मेरे को चीज़ पता है कि मेरे को इनको प्राउड फील कराना है. That changed my purpose of life. तो फिर मैं like कभी भी डिमोटिवेटेड होता हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि भाई मेरा पर्पस एंड गोल फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजोन या गूगल जाना नहीं है. मेरे को आई वांट टू मेक हर प्राउड. जो नॉर्थ स्टार इज राइट. सो माय नॉर्थ स्टार इज लिटरली So I just want to know that North Star कि भाई हाँ I exist, I'll make you proud, don't worry about that. तो वो करके like that just keeps me going. बाकी विंग वगैरह हमारी इतनी प्यारी है. लाइक अजहर को हमने ऐसे जगाया, झगड़ा कर रहा है, जो भी कर रहा है, हमने नींद में उठ के क्वेश्चन रेडी करे. ये मतलब कि भाई अक्षता मेरी सीनियर है, मैं उसको अप्रोच करूँ, मेरा इमेज ऑन स्ट्रीक है, अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछ ले साले.
भाई क्या ही होता है भाई, अच्छे क्वेश्चन बुरे क्वेश्चन तो क्वेश्चन होता है.
एग्जैक्टली. और हम लाइक मेरा कभी मैं एडिट नहीं करता वीडियोस को, और ना ही मैं स्क्रिप्ट करता हूँ वीडियोस को. मैंने सोचा कि मशीन से अच्छा मैं खुद को अच्छा कर लेता हूँ, वन गो में कर लेते पूरा रिकॉर्ड. दैट्स व्हाई. तो हमको था कि इस पे हमने पहली बार स्क्रिप्टिंग पूरी करी थी, क्वेश्चंस का आउटलाइन करा था. अगेन इट वेंट
It went so many places. Out of curiosity, what did you guys prepare? What did you miss?
We covered all
या लाइक
You covered all the bases.
और कुछ मिस करा ही नहीं हमने, लिटरली हमने ज्यादा ही कर लिया.
That's true.
और
Your editing will have a task.
नो टास्क विल बी देयर ना, कुछ एडिट नहीं करेंगे.
Oh, बस ऐसे ही.
नहीं
लाइक विल बी एडिटिंग कट्स वगैरह सब कुछ होगा, बट कट्स डालने में वो नहीं हुआ. जो एफएमएक वगैरह वीडियोस बनाते हैं उनके अंदर लाइक दे पुट एलिमेंट्स इन एवरी सेकंड.
Okay.
हमारे लिए 1 घंटे में 10 कट होंगे और 10 डिलीट होंगे. दैट्स इट.
Okay.
सो दिस एडिटिंग विल बी मेनली ऑन कि टाइम कितना लग रहा है फाइल ट्रांसफर में. That's it.
Okay.
It is of like 64 GB or something.
Oh. Okay.
So that's gonna be a challenge, but हो जाएगा. कल तक we'll be releasing that. I hope you guys liked it. अगर आपको पसंद आया, यहाँ तक अगर कोई देख रहा है, सब्सक्राइब किया ही होगा. मत कर सब्सक्राइब भाई.
भी देख रहा है.
और ये डेप्सॉक सीट पोस्टिंग पे जाए ना जाए, इलाज पे तो जाएगा. Because इलाज greater than डेप्सॉक.
ऐसे तो ना. No.
Okay. So
चलो जी. Thank you so much for having me guys once again. Bye.
It was fun.
भाई बड़ा मजा आया.
To clubs
एक
and
second. Start खुला है क्या?
bro, get us something.
अबे यार.
Get us Maggie and
नहीं मैं चलूँ.
No, we can't stop it. It's going good.
वो तो वही रहने दे. इसका फोन ले जा भाई, बहुत पैसा है इसके पास. अभी इंटर्नशिप कर रहा है.
We'll see my passcode.
हाँ.
अरे मतलब
Big money.
भाई तू जा.
ये है. बट उसको बोल दे खाते में बाद में भर देना.
हाँ,
ठीक है. अरे कासवानी खाते में डाल देना बोल देना.
ओए हद में रह ले भाई मेरा.
भाई wait, are you going? Do you mind please getting me an iced tea?
+1.
Plus
Nothing for me. तो तू लाएगा, तू खाएगा.
Okay, we'll start.